Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to be showing my beauty room to you all. I've been wanting to do this and I finally got it set up the way I mostly want it. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and show you my beauty room. Okay guys, this is the beginning of my tour to my beauty room. So up here I have my picture of when I graduated, like all my class, my papa's hat, pictures of me and Trevor, my mom and dad, and me and Kelly, the one that you see in the video. She made it for me not too, like, a couple years ago, I think. And then in here you just have like all of my socks and all that kind of stuff. And then in here is all my paper stuff from like my colleges and stuff I not threw away. And all like my important stuff is in here. Okay, then come over here and this is where I do all of my bills, like all my bill papers and stuff that me and Kelly are working on. All that stuff is done right here. I have my my little thing over here, calendar. Okay, over here is where I have my makeup. This is where my big palettes are. The ones that don't fit in the drawers. But over here is all my foundations and all that stuff. My highlight and contour. This is all my eyeshadows, big and small. Like I said, the bigger ones are over here that won't fit. And then I have like my 90s out from my wedding, and this is from Kelly's wedding. And then this is what I made in shop class. When I went to shop class, I literally made that. Down here is my books, my photo albums. Over here is my travel bag. And this little box that I have open in. That's them, as well as these ones up here. Okay. Then here's my high school diploma, my college diploma, well, like, certification thing. These are my 2 angels that my mom gave me, and this is the flowers that, where I work, they got me, I mean. This is when I was on dancing. This is just a picture that I found. I didn't know I had that. Okay, and then this picture is Trevor's grandmother gave me when we went down there last time. I was like, oh my god, that would look so good in my beauty room because it kind of matches this over here and it kind of matches my curtain. So, and this is my little chair. I honestly got this down there where Trevor was raised and stuff, where he was born. I actually got it down there and I forgot about it, and it was in his my mom and papa's old building. Completely forgot about it. Down here in these containers, like it opens, but I'm not going to open it because it's so hard to get back together. Those are like my books and stuff, and like Trevor's stuff, and then like over here's got my purses and my bags, and over on that side too. This is actually an entertainment center, if you haven't noticed. It was my papa's. He had it at his house, and I was like, you know what? If y'all ain't going to use it, because my mom and them has like one of these big TVs, like a box TV, like on the floor. So I was like, you know, I can really use that. That was really hard to get in here, let me tell you. And this is actually a dining room table. My mom and them never used it, and we don't have chairs until I can find me some. But I'm going to use it as a desk for right now because it's big enough for all my crap. Over here is where I film all the time. This is where I sit. I love zebra print stuff. That's a lamp that I got from his mama. Let's sit down here and I'll show you over here. This is like all my dry shampoo, some of my deodorant, and all my face cleansing stuff, like all my foundations I use on a regular basis. And I love this thing. I got this for $5, guys, $5 at a liquidation place. This has got, this is my sponges I don't really use, and my travel perfumes in it, and my sponges I don't really use. This is my liquid eyeshadows and liquid foundations. This one has all my mascaras in it, my eyeliners, and my brow pencils, and all that kind of stuff that I don't really use, though. And then this is my concealer. This is not all my concealer. I don't know where the rest of them are right now. I probably gotta put them somewhere. But yeah, this is all my concealers and stuff. These are the 2 palettes I use on a daily basis. I do also use the Jaclyn Hill one, but I have it in my travel bag, where we literally just got like back not too long ago from his grandparents. This is actually was a first aid kit. It don't have nothing in it now. And this is the actual Bible that my mom and dad, my dad's mom and dad gave to me. I got it from them. I actually use this to put my camera on, with my phone on to film, because this ain't high enough to like see my face when I'm sitting down. So I use that. And this is my lip glosses and lipsticks, and this is like my hairspray and my brush cleaner and all that kind of stuff. This is my brushes. I have it in this little can thing like this. I love it. Like, I only paid $1 for that. Maybe not even that. This is like a little spinning thing. Has my setting powder and my brushes and scissors in it. This is my mirror that my friend got me at the same place I got this. But the other side of the mirror came off, so I just use this like this. And then this is my minion. My penguin. I love penguins. My cousin Mindy actually gave that to me. She actually crocheted that whole thing by herself. So I absolutely love it. This has got all my scarves and stuff in. Down here there's a box of stuff, that different kind of stuff. And then there is my curling irons and stuff. Trying to see if I forgot anything. I don't think I did. Okay, guys, this is my beauty room. I'm just going to give you a look over. It's not the best, but hey, I love it. I really do. I really do like this. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.